Hi everybody, thank you for joining us today. My name is Louise and this is Brett, and today we'll be demonstrating our range of carriers designed here in Australia from our Sydney office. We have our Connect wrap, designed to keep your baby close and for true connection. You can use it from newborn baby up until 12 months. It keeps your baby in that lovely M position, so it is hip healthy and has those beautiful large shoulder straps to make it really comfortable to wear. And you can see that cross back here that evenly helps to distribute the weight across your hips and your shoulders. As I spin it back to the front, you can see those pull forward straps that make it easy to adjust on your body. And most importantly, what I think is really special is that lovely pocket there that allows you to cradle your little one. Really, baby wearing in those first few months is so precious. It's really nice that you can use it with a smaller baby. So like the carrier can feel a bit big for a smaller baby, this one allows you to keep that littler baby nice and close. So it really promotes that bonding and closeness that is so important in those first few months, not only for baby to keep them settled, but also for mum. The wrap comes in that gorgeous glacier colour behind me, and also, similar to this, a truffle. If you do need some more guidance with your purchase, we do have our how-to videos on our website, and our amazing customer care team here in Sydney are ready to answer any of your questions. Just give them a call, chat or email.
Thank you so much for allowing us to present to you our Redsbaby collection of carriers.
Here at Redsbaby, we have our promise: 3-year warranty, 30-day trials, free easy return and local customer support.